Do you think BJP will gain anything in, say, South India? That's a good question actually. See, if you see, I am not a political analyst, so I cannot give you political answer, but I can give you what? As a civil service aspirant, what are the things that we read? We read history. History repeats itself. First as tragedy, second as farce. A quote, a very interesting quote. That the essence is that we don't learn anything from history. So BJP is mostly viewed as a northern party, isn't it? It is trying to push for southern region. Okay. Why is that? In fact, if you look at India or Indian history, if you look at little bit, do an analysis of history of India. Okay. If you look at ancient India, what we had? Mauryas. We saw a great empire. In fact, Indian total political unification happened only twice in ancient India. During the times of who? First, Ashoka के time पे मौर्य में. Second is Gupta's time, that is Samudragupta. ठीक है. Rest of the times India, what it saw? It saw regional configurations. Now in Indian political scenario also we see a lot of regional parties, and where we see many regional parties, that is the most interesting part. If you look at the age of Mauryas or age of Guptas, they built greatest empire. Even if you look at the times of medieval, अगर इंडिया देखोगे अकबर के टाइम पे भी, ठीक है, they built great Indian empires, no doubt, but they never had real control over South India. क्यों? अगर साउथ में देखोगे, what are the major rulers? Cholas, Pandyas and Cheras. So it's not new that South India में regional parties, it's not new. They have been there from the very beginning. Regional kingdoms were there, regional parties are there. ठीक है, they are ruling regional parties mostly South India में. And mostly, see, if a power and what is the political power center of India? That is Delhi. ठीक है. So since at least medieval times, Mughal के time से Delhi has become the power center, no doubt. Rajputs have built Delhi, but eventually it is taken over by the Mughals and Delhi Sultanate and others. ठीक है. If you look at, say, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, two important episodes you should remember. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, what we read, what he tried to do? He tried to take his Delhi से दौलताबाद या देवगिरी से कहते हैं. Why he wanted to shift his capital to Daulatabad? Because if you want to really rule India, you need to have control over South India. ठीक है. But was it successful? No. Then Muhammad bin Tughlaq चला गया, and during the times of Aurangzeb also was fascinated with Deccan region. He also wanted to control it. He wanted to subjugate it. Eventually क्या हुआ? He will lose a lot of money. One of the reasons why Mughals will decline, because Aurangzeb will lose a lot of money by waging campaign in Deccan region. ठीक है. यहाँ पे eventually this concept came to be known as what? Deccan ulcer. That means the Deccan campaign of Aurangzeb will blow a big hole in the pocket or the treasury of the Mughal government. One of the reasons of fall of Mughal empire, right? So throughout Indian history, doesn't matter Mauryas या Guptas या जो भी, whoever has ruled India, they didn't really control the deep south. Deep south had their own own regional kingdoms always. ठीक है, विजयनगर kingdom ये वो बहुत सारे हम देखे हैं. So similarly, if you see, same, this is ancient and medieval knowledge. And if you see now what we see, the states that are far from the center, दिल्ली से जो जितने दूर हैं, से फॉर एग्जांपल उड़ीसा हो गया, वेस्ट बंगाल हो गया, यहाँ पे नॉर्थ ईस्ट में थोड़ा, साउथ में तमिलनाडु हो गया, आंध्र प्रदेश, तमिलनाडु, ठीक है, केरला हो गया, यहाँ पे जितने सारे, we see a lot of regional parties. Why? Because they are far from central control. ठीक है, we see this whenever अगर आप ancient India में या medieval India में, if the ruler who is ruling Delhi was weak, we saw emergence of regional parties. When we saw a strong ruler ruling over Delhi, we saw what? Fusion of, they will be able to subjugate them, or at least, not subsume them, but they will at least, the rulers in South India, etc., they will accept the sovereignty. ठीक है. So actually a ruler ruling from Delhi never had real control in South India. In fact, अगर यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे, they never had control in Punjab region also. पंजाब में भी अगर आप देखोगे एक strong regional party is there. They have been ruling for a long period of time. Akali-Dal, yes. Why is that? Far from power center, and they have their regional identity. That's right. Now what is happening? If you see in this belt, जहाँ पे except if you look at ancient medieval पूरा modern India, British Empire भी देखोगे, they could not do it. During the time once we got independence, we had only one party, major party, that was Congress. That is the only time, say 1950 से लेके 1967-70 तक, at least we saw what? A single party ruling majority of states. 1970 onwards, what we saw? The regional parties which are far from center, they are creating their niche and creating regional parties. ठीक है. So BJP very well knows that although it is ruling over the northern belt, if you look at the major BJP pockets, ये गुजरात हो गया, यहाँ पे ये मध्य प्रदेश हो गया, this major northern parties BJP pocket, and northeast में they had little bit of push. यहाँ पे if you see from Kerala से लेके तमिलनाडु, आंध्र प्रदेश, Odisha, West Bengal, this belt they are unable to gain any major mileage. ठीक है. So that's why they are more focused on these regions now. They are trying to push for that. So this is not a 10-year or 20-year strategy. They are thinking of 50 year, 100 years ahead. ठीक है. Even if usually क्या होता है, if a particular party is ruling in a particular region, people want change. That is the nature of people. ठीक है. We have seen that ancient India में, medieval India में. So when people will want change, say Uttar Pradesh में they want change, obviously the ruling party BJP or NDA will lose some seats over there. So they will try to gain it from the southern parts. ठीक है. And their major focus is it Karnataka? Is it Kerala? Tamil Nadu. क्यों? We have seen that since the time of what? Sangamesh, who are the most important power in the South India? The Cholas. Pandyas and Cheras were there, no doubt, but the Cholas were the most important power center. So it is Tamil Nadu. That is the southern heartland. So that's why the Tamil Nadu push is there. That's why that they have gone for what? Sangam now recently. They are trying to revive that, जो पुराना है, ancient India वाला. They are trying to revive that. That they are trying to build that, cultural connect. ठीक है. So that's why. History tells us everything, isn't it?